Faulty parallelism. A tripwire in English grammar. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to talk about an essential yet often overlooked topic in English grammar: faulty parallelism. This concept is an integral part of understanding parallel structure in English sentences. Faulty parallelism happens when the elements within a sentence that should be grammatically parallel are not. Let's delve into it. Before we jump into faulty parallelism, it's crucial to understand what parallelism is. Parallelism is the use of consistent grammatical structures in a list, comparison, or other construction to link related ideas. When elements in a sentence are parallel, they have the same general structure. This concept helps make our sentences clear and balanced. Here is an example. Correct. She likes reading, writing, and playing the piano. Now, let's identify when parallelism goes wrong. If the structure is not consistent within a list or comparison, we call it faulty parallelism. Here's an example of a sentence with faulty parallelism. Incorrect. She likes reading, to write, and playing the piano. Did you notice the inconsistency in the list? Reading and playing are gerunds, but to write is an infinitive. They should all be in the same form to maintain parallelism. Let's learn how to correct faulty parallelism. The correction involves making all items in a list or comparison consistent. Let's correct our previous example. Correct. She likes reading, writing, and playing the piano. Now, all items in the list are gerunds, so the sentence maintains proper parallel structure. The best way to master this concept is by practicing. Here are a few sentences. See if you can spot and correct the faulty parallelism. 1. John enjoys hiking, swim, and to ride his bike. 2. She is dedicated, hardworking, and loves her job. Take your time to revise these sentences, and share your answers in the comments section. Faulty parallelism can be a bit tricky, but once you understand it, you'll find it easier to create clear, balanced sentences in English. Remember, practice is key, so keep working on exercises until you feel comfortable with this concept. Hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next grammar adventure.